This is a really scary place for me. Now I am going to climb down, but I have no experience walking this place, but I will try. Let's see what happens. Okay, maybe I can do it. Inshallah. Oh my God, I can do it. Finally, I success. I am watching catching fish. He is one of my younger brother, and he is catching fish. And one of our uncle over there, he is also catching fish. And for a while, I was discussing with them and talking with them, and it was a really nice conversation. And the people from village are really nice, and it was a good conversation with them. And you can see they are very good and like cooperative and cooperative and helpful, and like they সহজেই মিশতে পারে মানুষের সাথে, গ্রামের মানুষ. This is the main speech I would like to mention. And I am also from village, that's why our bonding is very good right now, although this is for a very short time, but I built a good bond with them. So that's it, and thank you so much.